The Airvo 3 series must be cleaned and disinfected between patients. This should take place as soon as possible after use. In this video, we will be covering the reprocessing steps of the Airvo 3 with the disinfection kit. You will need a disinfection kit, mild detergent, clean disposable lint-free cloths, protective gloves, disinfectant wipes. For further information on reprocessing, refer to the Airvo 3 user instruction or the disinfection kit manual. To start, switch off the unit and unplug from the mains power socket. Remove the water chamber, heated breathing tube and patient interface and safely dispose of them. Make sure to also turn off and disconnect any oxygen connections. Use a clean cloth soaked in water and detergent to clean the surfaces of the Airvo 3, including the removable outlet elbow. Use a damp cloth to remove any residue and allow to air dry. To disinfect, first use a disinfectant wipe to thoroughly clean all outside surfaces of the Airvo 3, including the removable outlet elbow. Then again, use a damp cloth to remove any residue and allow to air dry. The outlet elbow of the Airvo 3 requires high-level disinfection. To prepare the unit, dip the cleaning sponge stick into a solution of warm water and mild detergent. Thoroughly clean the internal surfaces of the outlet elbow by rotating the sponge stick and pressing firmly into the internal surfaces. Ensure that all contamination is removed. Rinse the cleaning sponge stick under running water and remove any residue from the outlet elbow. Discard the cleaning sponge stick after use. Please note, do not clean the left-hand chamber port with the sponge stick. Firmly grip and remove the outlet elbow. Rinse the internal surfaces of the outlet elbow under clean running water. Drain any remaining water out of the outlet elbow. Insert the rinsed outlet elbow back into the Airvo 3, ensuring it is locked firmly in place. Next, connect the red disinfection tube to the Airvo 3 by lifting the sleeve of the blue connector. Push and slide the sleeve down to lock into place. Fit the other end of the tube to the left-hand chamber port and the blue disinfection filter to the right-hand chamber port. Connect the power cable to the mains power socket. Start the disinfection cycle by turning on the device. After warming up, the disinfection cycle begins and runs for 55 minutes. The remaining time will be displayed as it counts down to 0. When the disinfection cycle is completed, switch off the unit. After a high-level disinfection cycle, remove the disinfection tube and filter from the Airvo 3. Pull the sleeve up before disconnecting the disinfection tube to avoid damaging the connector. Use a clean storage cover to wrap the Airvo 3 such that the identification label sits prominently above the display and buttons of the Airvo 3. Seal the cover with the adhesive tabs on the storage cover. Alternatively, after a red tube disinfection cycle, you may leave the disinfection tube and filter attached to the Airvo 3 for storage. Store the Airvo 3 in a clean, dry and dust-free location that is suitable for medical devices. Never store the unit until it has been cleaned and disinfected.